Welcome to this channel. In this video, I want to show you how to solve the problem of elements must be visible for at least 5 seconds. And this happens when you are about to edit a video on YouTube, a video you have already published, and you want to trim it or cut some part. You may get this particular kind of problem. So let me show you how to get it resolved. Before that, if you are new to this channel, turn on the notification bell and then like this video and follow this channel so that when we publish videos like this, you always be first to see it. Thank you so much. So let's go into how to get it resolved. Okay, so when you come, you click on the edit button of the video, then you scroll down to editor. Okay, from editor, you go to trim or cut. Now, let's say I want to trim a certain section, just like what you're seeing. You see that the problem has come. Element must be at least 5 seconds. I can't save. Okay, so when they say element must be at least 5 seconds, this is what they are saying. You come here, you click on the edit, scroll down to, as you can see, we have end screens. So when we talk about video elements, the elements are the end screen and the card. So you go to the end screen and then you make sure you remove all the end screen, all the end screen elements. So for example, I'm deleting this, deleting this, deleting this, and deleting this. Then after you delete all of them, you save it. They are saying the element must be at least 5 seconds because what is happening is that the part that you are cutting, there are some elements there that are not going to be shown. So because they are not going to be shown, they are not going to be visible for up to 5 seconds. That is why they are asking you to remove the video element. So you remove it and then you save. Then you also go to the cards, then you remove them. If you know up to the length of the video you want to edit and the cards are not showing up to that area, those that are not showing up to that area, you can remove. But if you are not sure the length, the exact length you are going to use for that video, you can remove all the cards. I have removed them. So you can save. So let me try editing the cards again. So when you come, you see that there's no more card. Then there's also no more end screen. Okay. So now you go back to this particular place where the warning was. So we want to go back. Yeah, they're saying we'll discard it. Yes, we're discarding it. So that we try again. Okay, so I'm going to trim it. See, the problem is still coming because the system hasn't accurately refreshed it. So I'm refreshing the page. Yeah. Okay. I'll refresh it. So as you can see, I can save now. So you remember to refresh. If you don't refresh, you may get the error still showing. Then you can check the preview. You can click on trim. You click on new cut. Then you indicate where you are starting and where you are ending. Okay. So let's play and then, or let's go back to the beginning.
Have you ever tried so hard to break a bad habit, but by the time you,
for example,
seeking attention?
Okay, so this is exactly where I want to cut out to. So I'm cutting from 1 minute, 5 seconds, 10 frames to 1 minute, 3 hours. That's the ending of the video. Okay, so after you are done with all that, you come here and then click on cut. You see, you can now save. Then you click on save, and then you are done. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so you can have more powerful videos like this. Once again, bye bye.